When it comes to vehicle maintenance, accuracy is key. The best car battery testers provide quick, reliable readings to ensure your battery stays in top condition. Compact, easy to use, and essential for every car owner, they simplify battery care. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now let's get started. Number 1. TOPDON 2000 cca car battery tester. The TOPDON 2000 cca car battery tester is a versatile and highly accurate tool designed for anyone serious about automotive maintenance. This 12V battery tester, known as the BT300P, delivers fast diagnostics with printed receipts, allowing users to fully understand the health of their 12V batteries. It evaluates starter motor, cranking for both 12V and 24V systems, while also assessing charging performance across vehicle electronic systems. Designed for maximum accuracy, the BT300P leverages TOPDON's latest conductive battery testing technology to deliver results in just 3 seconds with 99.5% reliability. The tester is compatible with a wide range of 12V automotive lead-acid batteries, including regular flooded, AGM flat plate, AGM spiral, gel, and EFB types, making it suitable for cars, motorcycles, trucks, RVs, SUVs, boats, and even lawnmowers. Its ability to quickly identify battery and system failures helps prevent common vehicle problems caused by defective batteries. Number 2. FOXWELL 24-volt car battery tester. The FOXWELL BT705 is a commercial-grade battery tester designed for both professional technicians and serious DIYers. This device accurately measures 12V and 24V batteries, delivering precise SH, SOC, and CCA readings using advanced conductance technology. By testing the battery, starter, and alternator in one simple procedure, it eliminates unnecessary replacements and costly misdiagnoses, which can exceed $200. Compatible with AGM, EFB, flooded, and start-stop batteries, the BT705 provides complete insights into the electrical health of any vehicle. Its clear on-screen guidance, including good, replace, or charge indicators, allows users to address issues confidently and efficiently. Unlike many testers that deliver unstable results in extreme temperatures, this device is engineered to provide consistent, reliable readings even in sub-zero weather, whether diagnosing a weak battery, poor starter performance, or. Number 3. FOXWELL BT780 car battery tester. The FOXWELL BT780 takes battery diagnostics to a professional level, supporting 6V, 12V, and 24V systems with CCA ratings from 100 to 2000. Ideal for high-volume shops and fleet operations, it provides comprehensive diagnostic capabilities including voltage, internal resistance, SOC, and SLH, alongside starter and alternator performance testing. Its advanced conductance technology ensures precision, while the integrated thermal printer produces jam-free, professional reports in seconds, perfect for customer records or service documentation. Multi-user account support and customizable report headers allow shops to track battery tests for multiple technicians, reducing errors and disputes. Unlike other testers that draw power from the battery under test, the BT780 uses a built-in power supply, ensuring stable diagnostics even on weak or marginal batteries. Designed for extreme conditions, it maintains accuracy in low temperatures and under heavy workload. Number 4. KONNWEI 10-2000 cca car battery tester. The KONNWEI KW700 car battery tester is a versatile and precise tool for automotive diagnostics, compatible with both 12V and 24V batteries. Designed for vehicles ranging from sedans and trucks to RVs, boats, and lawn equipment, it evaluates battery health, starter performance, and alternator output within seconds. Supporting various battery types including regular flooded, AGM, GL, EFB, and lithium, it removes guesswork and ensures reliable results. A built-in thermal printer allows instant creation of professional, custom-labeled reports, saving on printing costs, while providing traceable service history. Its reinforced copper clamps secure connections, reducing errors and preventing sparks or overheating during testing, while the 2.8-inch color LCD ensures clear data visibility even in bright sunlight. The KW700 also offers smart battery protection with cranking. Number 5. Autel MaxiBAS Car Battery Tester. The Autel MaxiBAS BT506 is a comprehensive battery analyzer capable of testing 6V and 12V batteries with capacities ranging from 100 to 2000 cca. Supporting flooded AGM spiral, EFB and GL batteries, it adheres to CCA, SAE, CA, EN, IEC, DIN, JIS, and MCA standards, ensuring accurate performance checks. This tester not only evaluates battery health, but also performs cranking and charging system diagnostics to identify faults in starters and alternators. Featuring advanced adaptive conductance technology, the BT506 provides precise energy testing and quickly detects low capacity or failing batteries, minimizing retests and false readings. Cranking tests monitor starting voltage, current, and engine parameters, while charging tests analyze voltage and current patterns, offering actionable maintenance advice. It's fast, reliable, and comprehensive. Assessments make it ideal for professional mechanics and home users alike. I share helpful videos for you every day. So, don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon for notifications. You'll find all product links and updated prices in the description below. If you have any questions, feel free to comment. I'm ready to reply. We've done our personal research to save you both time and money. Our top 5 list is carefully made based on ratings, reviews, quality, and durability. So, you can confidently choose the best product.